Hello everybody, it's Salome here. Welcome back to Visionaries Auto. So recently, me and my team were actually busy on this project. We are making a new body kit for a 2008 to 2014 body kit of an X6M. So if you're an X6M, like you have a car like this one, pretty old, right? Yeah? Instead of you selling it or maybe scrapping it, why don't you purchase a G06 LCI X6M? This is the kind of body kit that we are making right now. Follow me and take a closer look and see how this G06 LCI X6M body kit is going to be looking on this X6. So if you have a friends that have the X6, don't forget to tag them so that they can come and get this kind of body kit. So now come along with me, we open this package. This package are actually packaged very careful. So even if you are in the other part of the world, you don't have to worry about receiving your package broken, because as you can see, everything comes in one piece to you. So we've taken out the grill. This is the grill. We've taken out the headlights, the front bumper and the rear bumper, the wheel flares. So the reason we put this on this carpet is because we have to run a second, like checking to see if there's anything broken, any flaws. So if you happen to purchase our body kit, you have to check your own as soon as you receive your goods, as upon arrival. Although we do check before we ship the products to you, but then you do have to double check again. And we are checking because our modifications are a little bit strict. We have to make sure everything is perfect. Okay, so here is the time we all have been waiting for Vic Tuning to work its magic. So we're gonna convert this BMW X6 into a BMW X6M.